In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Apple Intelligence in Germany. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Apple Intelligence was officially released for the USA and other nearby regions. So if you are in Germany, it might not be available for you right away, but you can do a specific workaround to get it to work. So first, you will need to be on one of these devices here. So the entire iPhone 16 line has Apple Intelligence. If you have an iPhone 15, you will need either the 15 Pro or Pro Max. And if you have an iPad, you need iPad Pro with M1 and later chips, iPad Air also with M1 and later, iPad Mini A17 Pro, and then for these MacBooks and these other Mac devices. I'm not going to cover all of them, but you can pause the video and double check. If you have any of these devices, then you are good to go. Any other device will not have Apple Intelligence, so keep that in mind. So to start, update to iOS 18.1 at least. So head over into the settings, access the general category, and inside of general, you will find software update. Now you can check to see which version you are running. Like I said before, you need a bare minimum of iOS 18.1, but of course, if you have 18.2, 18.3, then it is still going to work. Now, once you have the update installed, go back into these settings, but this time, choose your Apple account. So tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen alongside your picture. In here, go to Media and Purchases and choose the option to view or manage your account details. In here on account settings, the first thing that you have to do is change the country or region to the US. Like I said in the beginning, because this feature is only officially available for the USA, you need to change your region to the US. One important thing is that after you change your region, you need to set up a billing address. So you will be redirected to this page under country and region, and you need to input a US address. It doesn't matter which one it is, but you will need a street, a postcode, a town, county, and then phone. After you input all of this, then you can proceed and your region will be changed for your account. Now go back inside of the settings, and this time, instead of going over to Media and Purchases on your account, look for region. So under the settings, look for language and region settings. You will see this menu, language and region, under the general category. And what you have to do is, once again, make sure that you have English as the preferred language alongside the US as the main region of this device. Once this is done, you should be able to find Apple Intelligence when you go over to these settings. So in the settings, this is what you should see: Apple Intelligence and Siri. Open this menu. If there is no option to toggle it on here, then once again, change the language to English US. So if it is set to something like English Australia, make sure that you change it to English United States. And finally, once you change everything to the United States, you will have to toggle to enable or disable Apple Intelligence. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.